The Tesla Model S is not just a car, it is a symbol of innovation, a testament to the future of transportation, and a bold statement about what is possible when technology and vision converge. Since its introduction in 2012, the Model S has redefined the automotive industry, challenging conventional norms and setting new standards for performance, efficiency, and sustainability. It is more than an electric vehicle, it is a revolution on wheels, a glimpse into a world where cars are not just machines but intelligent, connected, and environmentally conscious companions. At the heart of the Tesla Model S is its electric powertrain, a marvel of engineering that has shattered the myth that electric cars are slow, boring, or impractical. The Model S is anything but. With its instant torque delivery, the car accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a matter of seconds, rivaling some of the fastest supercars in the world. The top-tier Plaid version, for instance, can achieve this feat in under 2 seconds, making it one of the quickest production cars ever built. This level of performance is not just about speed, it is about redefining what an electric vehicle can do. It proves that sustainability does not have to come at the expense of excitement or power. But the Model S is not just about raw performance. It is also a masterclass in efficiency. The car's electric motor is incredibly efficient, converting over 90% of the energy from its battery into motion, compared to the 20 to 30% efficiency of traditional internal combustion engines. This efficiency translates into impressive range, with the Model S capable of traveling over 400 miles on a single charge. For many drivers, this eliminates the so-called range anxiety that has long been associated with electric vehicles. Tesla's extensive supercharger network further enhances the practicality of the Model S, allowing drivers to recharge their vehicles quickly and conveniently on long trips. This combination of performance, efficiency, and convenience has made the Model S a game-changer in the automotive world. Beyond its technical prowess, the Tesla Model S is a showcase of cutting-edge technology. The car's minimalist interior is dominated by a massive touchscreen display, which controls everything from navigation to entertainment to climate control. This screen is not just a convenience, it is a statement about the future of automotive design. By eliminating traditional buttons and knobs, Tesla has created a clean, futuristic interior that feels like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. The Model S also features over-the-air software updates, which allow Tesla to continuously improve the car's performance, add new features, and fix bugs without requiring a visit to the dealership. This level of connectivity and upgradability is unprecedented in the automotive industry and sets a new standard for what cars can be. One of the most impressive aspects of the Model S is its autopilot system, which represents a significant step toward autonomous driving. While the car is not fully self-driving, its advanced driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic lane changes, make driving safer and less stressful. Tesla's vision for the future is one where cars can drive themselves, reducing accidents, easing traffic congestion, and giving people more time to focus on what matters most. The Model S is at the forefront of this vision, serving as a platform for Tesla's ongoing development of autonomous driving technology. The environmental impact of the Tesla Model S cannot be overstated. By replacing gasoline with electricity, the car produces zero tailpipe emissions, making it a much cleaner alternative to traditional vehicles. This is especially important in a world grappling with the effects of climate change. Transportation is one of the largest sources of greenhouse gas emissions, and the widespread adoption of electric vehicles like the Model S is crucial to reducing our carbon footprint. Tesla's commitment to sustainability extends beyond the car itself. The company's gigafactories, which produce batteries and other components, are powered by renewable energy, further minimizing the environmental impact of its operations. The Model S is also a status symbol, a car that says as much about its owner as it does about the company that built it. Driving a Model S is a statement of values, a declaration that one cares about innovation, sustainability, and the future. It is a car that appeals to tech enthusiasts, environmentalists, and performance junkies alike, bridging the gap between different worlds and bringing people together under a shared vision of progress. The Model S has become a cultural icon, appearing in movies, music videos, and the garages of celebrities and business leaders. It is a car that transcends its role as a mode of transportation and becomes a symbol of a movement. Of course, the Tesla Model S is not without its challenges. Its high price tag puts it out of reach for many consumers, and while Tesla has made strides in improving affordability with models like the Model 3 and Model Y, the Model S remains a luxury vehicle. There are also concerns about the environmental impact of battery production and the sourcing of raw materials like lithium and cobalt. Tesla has made efforts to address these issues, but they remain important considerations as the company continues to grow and expand. Despite these challenges, the Tesla Model S represents a bold and ambitious vision for the future. It is a car that challenges the status quo, pushing the boundaries of what is possible and inspiring others to do the same. It is a reminder that innovation is not just about incremental improvements but about reimagining the world and creating something entirely new. The Model S is more than a car, it is a catalyst for change, a symbol of hope, and a testament to the power of human ingenuity. In conclusion, the Tesla Model S is a groundbreaking vehicle that has redefined the automotive industry. Its combination of performance, efficiency, technology, and sustainability has set a new standard for what cars can be, and its impact will be felt for generations to come. The Model S is not just a car, it is a vision of the future, a glimpse into a world where transportation is cleaner, smarter, and more connected. It is a reminder that the future is not something we wait for, it is something we create. And with the Tesla Model S, that future is closer than ever.